wonderful Savior, I love you. I know that these things, they come and they go. One thing's for sure, that your word for me won't go cold. So I'll stay here with you in my heart, I won't fade, no. I'll keep going strong with my head up, 'cause I know these things will all fade away. I know that they are not real, so they don't fret me now. So I close my eyes and walk through, 'cause I know who I am. All things work together, all things work together, yeah. You're mine, mine forever. You're mine, mine forever, yeah. I know you're here, I know you're here. Father, you are the greatest. Unto you I sing praises. Nobody else compares to you. Never change through the ages. You are always so gracious. Nobody else compares to you. Oh, yeah.
Hey. Shit. Shell K. Let me talk to you. So much beauty, so much splendor. Praise you, God, like what shall I render? Who is like you? There's no contender. I give you my all, to you I surrender. No words that are fitted to describe you. Searched all around and there's really none like you. How am I supposed to describe the creator of the universe in a 16-bar verse? Like, where do I start with the one who begins and ends? The one who life itself depends. Let me try here. Look. I see God in the beautiful rose. I see God in the musical notes. I see God in the rising sun. I see God in everyone. I see God in the beautiful rose. I see God in the musical notes. I see God in the rising sun. I see God in everyone.
Father, you are the greatest. Unto you I sing praises. Nobody else compares to you. Never change through the ages. You are always so gracious. Nobody else compares to you. Much less, my God, nobody can contest your greatness. You're the greatest. As good as you are so loving and kind. I sing praises to you most high. I am that I am, I glorify. I praise you forever and ever and ever and ever. God of the universe, so loving, you put me first, you put me first. All I see is you.
I see God in the beautiful rose. I see God in the musical notes. I see God in the rising sun. I see God in everyone. I see God in the beautiful rose. I see God in the musical notes. I see God in the rising sun. I see God in everyone.
Father, you are the greatest. Unto you I sing praises. Nobody else compares to you. Never change through the ages. You are always so gracious. Nobody else compares to you. Blameless and righteous, got nothing to do with works. Come against me, you got bite dust. I serve a very big God. By divine orchestration, I was chosen to serve your children. I'm a beacon, saving souls for Christ. That's my mission. I serve a very big God. No vessel that He cannot use. Cleaned me up and made me brand new. Nothing that He cannot do. No, I serve a very big God. Oh, yeah. I serve a very big God. I serve a very big God. I serve a very big God. He made the skies and the seas. Still He lives inside of me, leading me in the way He pleases. I serve a very big God. Any principality that tries to rise against Him, at the mention of the name Jesus, you will surely bow. I serve a very big God. Oh, I serve a very big God.
Original Don Dada. At the mention of the name, and every knee shall bow, and every tongue confess you are the Don Dada. Original Don Dada. Bonafide Don Dada.
Bonafide, oh.
Run down, come down, everybody come around. Oh, give thanks and praise to we God Almighty.
Forever and always.
I serve a very big God. He's not in the world, but the world is in me. He created Africa, Europe, and America. Asia, Australia, and Europe, Sudan. The mention of my name, every knee shall bow. I serve a very big God.
Yeah. First giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms, to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call, they still pick up the phone. Yeah. With judgment coming from all angles, I never defend myself for approval from strangers. When they don't give a damn about my kids. Since you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins. We was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad. Cause growing up, he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica. And my uncle stepped up and was the father I never had. So when I say, like, gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad, they really shared their dad with me. He was the father figure I never
Yo, chat, what's up? What's up? Good morning, gang. Happy Thursday, everybody. How you guys doing? Let me see what's in the chat. Good morning, everybody. I want to see some in the chat. I want to see you in the chat here right now. Just drop in the chat. Drop some energies in the chat. Drop whatever you want in the chat. Let's go. Holy Goldie. It's melting. Hey. Hello, Kelly. What's up? How you doing? Long time. How you doing? Oh, you're still holding the cells. Wow, nice. W. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Holding the cells. Liquidity to grab. Wow. Oh. Outs. 1-5. Now you're up. I guess you're up today, huh? You're holding. How much you're up today? Nice. Esther, how you doing? Good morning. All right. Let me do the top down here. Let's start with the daily time frame. All right, chat. Okay, so we spoke this about yesterday, right? So this, as you can see here, this we spoke about these candles, right? So there is a lot of doji candles. I guess this was doji, this is doji, and this yesterday is kind of doji candles. So probably in our session, it didn't happen. It didn't move a lot. So it moved a lot after, I guess, after the PMI. I guess, right? That's the news yesterday. Yesterday is a PMI. Yeah, it's PPI. So it moved during NY session, right? But yeah, we anticipate this after we rebroke the previous candle low. Should move down pretty heavy to fill the range on the left hand side here, this kind of range. So it filled already, and it closed below the range too. So there is a lot of range going down here. The next support that we probably gonna head it is here, right? This is the next support here, support level on the daily time frame. Overall range is massive, right? So we got a lot of range to trade with, and we got a lot of volume too, probably post FOMC. So that's the daily. We still have range to move down. Let's have a look on the 4-hour time frame. So the 4-hour time frame, as you can see, how the candles are melting yesterday. So we got here, we got resistance form, we have a support form right here, and we rebroke all the lows. Should move down. Yeah, should down here, and reacts on this levels. And as you can see on the next 4-hour time frame, the FOMC candle move heavy, right? And then after that, support form once again. But the candles didn't push through, right? The candles didn't push through. Now we are still re-breaking all the lows here on the left hand side, right? That's the four. We are bearish on the higher time frame. Lower time frame is bearish, so I'd say we have a look for potential sales, right? But let's see, because the lower time frame has no top wick, no bottom wick, so it doesn't look good if you're trading price actions like the same strategy that I'm using. Is not look good because you don't have top wick, you don't have bottom wick, no bottom wick, right? No top wick, no bottom wick. So no bottom wick. So the price action right now is we need to be careful because of those top wick, no bottom wick. Because there is a high chance that if you could, sell, the price can move up, retesting all the highs on the left and then move down like this. So activated on sales and then move up. So it's gonna be a fake out candle, right? So let's see here. 30 minutes, 15. Yeah, 15 I guess is nice to trade with. So this is the 15-minute time frame. Okay, so yeah. Resistance, that's gonna be my resistance. Um let's see here on the left, there is support. Yeah, the support is down here. So let's see here if this candle will close probably bullish. Yeah, we're gonna mark this as a risk support. So right now we're heading down heavy. Look at that. Holy. Would you look at that? Pushing down pretty heavy. Very, very nice. So yeah, gang, that's the top down for today. Let's see. If you have any questions, let me know in the chat. And if you're new to the channel, make sure drop a like and subs to the channel. Drop like, subs to the channel. Let's go. Man, we're moving today. We're moving in London session. It's interesting. Because if the price are moving, man, that's pretty much good. Any questions, my friends? Let me know in the chat. So now we're gonna wait for a new support form here. Daily time frame move 1,500 pip already. Right, we still have wicks on the left, so we might feel this. We might feel that. We haven't tapped the support. The support is probably down here. Right? So wick fill, probably this daily time frame will grab this wick fill on the left hand side here, on the left. So we need to be patient today. No support, no bueno. Good morning, Tano. Since yesterday's support is around 4802 while doing some learning today and observation. Yeah, so it doesn't mean all the support is massive, like tough support, right? So you need to understand how the candles are reacting on those particular areas. So let's say, where's the support? 4802. Where's the 4802? 4802 is this. What's that support? Daily support or 4 hour support? 1 hour support? What time frame is that? 4802. There's no support on 4802. The support on hourly time frame is 47. The support is here. This is the support. 4847. Ang previous na may record mas mababa sa support is nasa 4658 happened last Feb. Ano po? So for me, those particular numbers is just it happens in the past. You need to understand the support that currently, like a previous one, not the previous, like February is months ago already, and you need to understand that. So right now, we have a we're coming from five. Let's say we're coming from 5,000 area, right? So this is 5,000 zone, right? This is our resistance. So we got I guess we have a resistance level here, and the next support is probably this is your next support. What price is 4,830? After that support, we have a new support form right here. It's 4,850. That's how you're gonna mark up those support. It's not just, oh, it's February support. It's not gonna work like that. Support, you always look on the left hand side. You always gonna look on the fresh structure, not the previous one, the month ago. No, it's not gonna work like that, because there is a high chance this zone it's gonna fail, because it happened in the past. You need to look on this kind of structure. This one, it's long time already. So yeah. And yeah, I always tell this to the YouTube chat that if we have a structure, yes, we have a structure, right? And once the candles broke the structure, it's meant to be broken. It's meant to be broken. The structure is meant to be broken all the time. Even though you have a top support right here, the structure is meant to be broken because there is a lot of volume into the market. You need to understand that too. Right? So yeah, up 50 minutes time frame. 4801, yeah. 4802. Yeah, we have support here. Yeah, 4802, I guess, yeah. Yeah, this. For me, I'm not always gonna look on the past price action. I always look on the current, what happened here. I always look on this kind of price action. I'm gonna find support resistances in here, because the price is, we're in the current, we're not in the past. So yeah. So I have a support on the 4712 right now. This is my 50-minute support, as you can see. Right, the next support is 4681. If this price closed below, yeah, I'm gonna mark this. Probably gonna mark now. This is gonna be the next support zone, probably. Yeah. So let's see here. That's my support. That's how I mark support and resistance. I always gonna look on the current structure. Massive volume here. Oh, Liv is still melting here. Welcome. Chat, make sure you like the stream here, right? Like the stream, subs to the channel, and if you have any questions, let me know in the chat. If you have any more questions, let me know. Let me know. All right, no closure here. So yeah, we might. 15 is about to close. Arlie still open. The 4 hours still open. Still have 45 minutes for the 4 hour. How many people we move on the four? We move. Holy, we move 1,500. This is the move. Yeah. Daily move too. Yeah, that's the move probably in this four. 1,500 pip in 4 hour time frame. Holy. Mm-mm. Hello, hello. What is up, Manoj? Give me a second. 2 many buyers clap today, probably. Too many buyers clap. Damn. Oh. We back on the big candles volume. Holy. 15 minutes candle move. 200 pips. 5 minutes candle move. 200 pips. Damn, gang. Be careful today. Be careful today, gang. The candles are massive. Look at this 400 pip move. I just realized that we are moving a lot on the candle. One candle, 30 minutes candle move. 400 pips. So yeah, we back on the big candles now. Oh, lit. Yeah, man. 200 pip in one candle move. Holy, this is gonna be an interesting day. Let's see how many patients today, how many are disciplined today. Do, 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 do. 7 minutes for the candle to close. Let's see what will happen here. 4 minutes. Let's see if we can grab at least, today. We can grab potential. 30 minutes gonna close bearish. Doji. Kanino yan? Any questions? Let me know in the chat if you have any questions. Right, don't like the closure of the 15 here. I don't like how the candle closed now. 15. Boom, 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 boom. 50 minutes candle close. Oh, not good. Look at this. How the candle close with the rejection week, small body candle. So yeah, this candle can rip down once you already broke this low. Choop. Come on, Goldie, come on. All right, that's the rebroke. That's the rebroke, Goldie. Doop, 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 doop. Dang, 100 pip move. Ole. Push, push, push. Push further down. Ooh, holy. Massive wick fill. Massive wick fill. Damn, Goldie. Melting all the way here. Very, very nice. Yeah, I guess we gonna see this liquidity grabs here. If you guys are selling, yeah, you guys can target at least this kind of zone, because this gonna wick fill and might rebroke those low, tap this, what price is this, 4635, and then move up. So yeah, highly likely can happen. Highly likely. Mm-hmm. Alex K, how you doing? How you doing, brother? Oh, rejections on 4696 here. Holy. Grab the bank. You rob the bank. Holy. W. Clinton. You got sales where you got sales. Yeah, London awake today. London is moving massive today. The candles are big. Candle moved 250 pips in 1 minutes candle. 5 minutes are big. 1 minute time frame too. Holy. 1 minute can move 120 pips. And 140, 150 ish. Damn. Goldie. Six minutes here. We might have potential buy above. What's that? Oh. What's this? We might have a potential. So locked in. Stops might be 100 pips. Holy. Yeah. Gonna lower the risk here. Gonna lower the size. Look at that. Dang. Look at that. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Damn, Goldie, it's playing here. Holy. Look at that structure on the 5 year. It's like a stair going down. It's like a stairs going down here. Look at this. And boop, and boop, and boop, and like it's like a stairs now going down. Look at the 5. Okay, melting. Damn. Melt, melt, melt. Yeah. We want to see this wick fill on the left. Gut filled. We need to see this gut filled today. Because this is the last support of the daily time frame that bounced the price. Right. So we create a structure here. Support form. As you can see, we bounce. Right? And then once it top, the candle will close, probably bounce. But let's see. Let's see the dollar. No, the dollar is getting what's the price now? Yeah, the dollar is bullish now. Look at that. Dollar is bullish. They're not buying They're not buying Goldie. They're selling Goldie. Why? Because they need cash. They need cash in. They need cash, my friends. Everyone's need cash. Because they cannot use, in war, it's not all about, okay, if there is a war, it's not all about, oh, I'm buying gold because there is a war. It's a safe haven. No. Right now, I guess Trump control everything, you know. Though they printing dollars every single day, $1 trillion. So yeah, I guess dollar is gonna they just need more cash for to fund their what do you call this, the military and all and stuffs. That's my perspective because um when Russian and Ukraine war, I guess I observed the price is moving up, and US doesn't care about them, right? But right now, Israel, US, Iran, so this is different war. So I don't know why price is moving heavy, so heavy as you can see, right? This where's the the war? I mean, what was that? Israel and the Palestine, right? Are happening. They're buying gold because of the safe haven before. Yeah, this one. Look at that structure. But now we're tapping the support on the daily time frames. Let's see if we can have a bounce here. This is a top support. Otherwise, if the price still moving down, we're gonna go down to here. This is the next one. Next support form. 4335. Look at that, still melting here. Holy. Damn, Goldie. 16 seconds for the candle to close. The 15 minutes candle moved 356 pips. Would you look at that? Goldie, Goldie. Bam, 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 bam. Everyone wants to take buy now. Everyone wants to take buy now on the support, but still clapping. Don't buy here right now. You guys need to wait for the market structure. Revisiting every support right now. Yeah, Goldie is breaking all the support on the higher time frame. See, look at this 4-hour time frame. Broke all the support. You have a support here. Right, you have a support here. Boom, broke. Next support probably down here. Boom, broke. Next support is probably down here. Weak fill. Boom. Right, the next support probably down here. Right. So I guess too many yesterday and today. Too many buyers has been clapped. Too many buyers are losing money today. Why? Because of this. They might buy here right now because we have a 4-hour support here. As you can see, right? We have a 4-hour support here. Bullish closure in the 4. It's good for buying. But, still. Price still melting here. So, I guess too many traders. Millions are traders in the world. And all of them has different strategy. Buying on the support, selling on the resistance. So yeah. Bam bam. Now the price action on the 15 not look good. We have a new resistance form here. Bang bang. Goldie Goldie. Goldie, how you doing? Yesterday I took two trades. I took one else and one win. So basically it's a break even. It's a break even for me. So yeah. Got buys here on the didn't close any partial because you have clean traffic on the left. No, this is NY session, you know. NY session will give you. I mean, this is not NY. It's a London. London. Yeah, it's a London. It's NY Open. It's not even NYAC Open. It's NY Open. So we have this kind of volume, and price. I know it's gonna retest at least this. I didn't close any partial here. That's the real deal. That's the real problem for me. So yeah, I tried to reach until here probably to close partial once we tap this wicks on the left hand side. So I'm gonna close partial there and move and stop to break even probably. But it didn't happen. You know, stop me out 40 pips on the rebroke of the current candle low. So yeah, we need to accept that. And then the next trade probably, I guess buy again here. Yeah. So this is good onion setup after support form. NYSE open as you can see. And yeah, this one. Move up close 30 pips. Okay. You know. Goldie, 10 minutes for the candle to close. We are moving. So 30 minutes is rejecting here. Yeah. So we might have potential in 10 minutes. Rebroke of this high. I rebroke of the high here. Might be nice. Must be nice here. This. I took that second trade W. When today? You took the same trade with me yesterday? This one? This buy here? You took the same trade? W, man. That buy. Oh, nice. Yeah. You know. You know, you know. Look at you, bro. Where did you learn the strategy, man? You learned the strategy from me or the other mentor too? I learned that here, the 15-minute support. Oh, you learned from me the 15-minute support. Oh, nice. I guess all of you know, I guess Rajabank's learn. I mean, I learned this strategy from Rajabanks, and he when I attend the boot camp, he always look for 30 minutes time frame. He said that 30 minutes time frame is more than stronger than the 15. Yeah, I know, but he told me that if there is a clean range, clean structure in the 15, yeah, you can look on the 15 like this. I'm always plotting my support resistance 15 30 minutes time frame. And you need to understand how you're gonna read the structure. If if is there any clean structure going up or going down, right? Because in 30 somehow um we have let's say like this, you know, moving down, okay, and then closure bullish like this, and then moving down once again. So like a choppy, but in the 15 is kind of looks clean, right? So yeah, I probably gonna use 15 on that situation. But highly likely, I used to use 15 minutes time frame, especially on entry. In entry, yeah. At first, I only taking the 30, but I saw you taking the 15. Oh, nice. Yeah. Yeah, 30 is good, but because 30 takes, 30 minutes, but 15, it's like kind of the same, but you need to be, you know, understand the 15 too. So as you can see, 15 has a resistance now on the 4719, but the 30, look at the 30 here. We have a rejection wick. So on this in this case, even though we don't have any closure above, right? The 30 is still open. I can have a buy stop on the rebroke of the high probably here. And once it happened, the candle is gonna look like this, right? Buy stop here. So impulse entry. Impulse entry. Let's see here, 6 minutes for the candle to close. Because probably in the session we need to correct some moves, right? This kind of move, we need to correct it. This kind of move, somehow you guys need. I mean, Goldie needs to correct it. And the good thing here is the hourly is about to close. Hourly time frame is about to close, and we have rejection wicks. The 4 hour is about to close. So this 4 hour, enable for this 4 hour to really broke this previous candle. I mean the current candle, right? You need to create a top wick, right? A top wick like this. So this top wick will help you the 30 minutes to move up, right? Because you have a rejections now. The next 30 will move up. So this is gonna be the idea, right? This is the top wick in the 1 and the 4. So we're gonna have a trade here on the rebroke of the high to retest this support level right here, or resistance level, right? That's gonna be the idea. Let's see here. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. If you have any questions, let me know in the chat. And chat, make sure you like the stream here. Shout out to 20 viewers right now. Make sure you like the stream, subs to the channel. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subs to the channel. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. 3 minutes, Goldie. 3 minutes. Do you recommend lowering the lot size? Yeah, you should lower your lot size here right now because the candles are bigger. The candles are moving 330 pips, and probably the stop's kind of wide here, right? You guys can probably use 150 pips, 100 pip stop loss. So the lot size should be um, decrease. Like if you're using 1%, you should use 0.5%. Right now in this kind of condition, I'm lowering my size here. Not look good. One minute and 30 seconds here. Let's see. Goldie. Goldie, give us an entry here. Give us an entry, Goldie. I know you want to give us an entry. I know. Two. Goldie, yep. 40 seconds here, gang. Let's see. That's the early close for our open. For our close. Potential buys on the rebroke of this candle high probably. Current previous candle 30. Previous previews. Gonna lower the size here. Do we create bottom wick? Yeah, we have small bottom wick. Damn, Goldie. Goldie move. Just wait, alright, gang. I'm not putting buy stop yet. I'm not putting buy stop yet. Damn, pushing now. Pushing. Cause I wanna see one more rebroke here. One more rebroke on this candle for putting buy stop. One more rebroke. Yeah. Where to buy? We can buy here rebroke of this 50 minutes time. 30 minutes. What's that rebroke? It's the stops, man. The stop here quite wide. Holy. 140 pips stops. I think this is good. I'm gonna put buy stop here on the rebroke of the high here. Buy stop. And we probably gonna use the current candle stops. 140 pip stops. So let's see. We are expecting for like a bounce or a correction move once we rebroke this. So once we rebroke this high on the left, previous candle high, should move out, should move up at least. So yeah. Bam, bam, bam. We're expecting for the 4-hour bottom wick. 4-hour bottom wick here. All right, can we activate here? Can we activate? Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Make sure, Chad, you lower your lot size here, all right? You lower your size here because the stop loss is going to be big. The stop loss is going to be big. Oh, nice. Rebroke one more time. I want to see that rebroke. I want to see that rebroke and then push heavily. Shout out to 20 viewers right now. How you guys doing? If you are new to the channel, make sure you subs to the channel, like the stream. All right, that's nice. Rebroke the lows here. Now, if we can rebroke one more time, it's gonna move. It's gonna move. So this trade is based on the 30 minutes time frame, not 15. Because the 15 has a structure and the 30 kind of we have a rejections here on price. I guess this trade is gonna be more aggressive because we need to see if this candle gonna correct the move. All right, let's see here. We need to see a rebroke one more time. Rebroke the high. Oh, massive move. Holy. Didn't really broke the highs here. No good. So I'm gonna cancel the buy stop here. We're gonna wait for another opportunity here. The stops kind of wide, so we cannot use those stops. So probably, yeah, we're gonna wait for the 15 minutes candle to close. Let's see here. We might range here. Now, after that move. But it's clean traffic to move up here. 4719. So I'm gonna keep my eye on this zone. Have a clean traffic. 500 pip move. So I'm gonna keep my eye on that. Yeah, for sales, I guess we need to wait for the candle to close here. Clean traffic to move down here. Yeah. Damn, Goldie. Goldie nothing today. We might range here. So yeah, gang. I might call a stream here. So I'm gonna keep my eye on this 4719 area. A potential probably buy here. Right. So for the sales here, probably yeah, close below here. It's good. This range is gonna be chopped, or yeah, we need to wait for retracement probably. Like this to sell. Must be nice if we can grab sales on 4778, but selling here right now is not look good. So yeah, man, chat. I'm gonna call it stream here. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. So if you guys gonna trade later on tonight, we have CPI, unemployment claims today 4:30. Yeah, we have unemployment claims. We have orange folder too, and yeah, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, right, chat? See you guys tomorrow. Love and wisdom to you all, man. W's all the way out here. Peace. W's all the way out here.
I'm so happy I'm alive today. I'm so happy I can see the light today. It don't matter if it's rain or shine today, cause I know the God is on my side today. Ay, I'm so happy I woke up today. Put a little coffee in my cup today. To anyone who feels a little stuck today, don't forget that God made us enough today. Hey, hey, wake up in the morning, brush my teeth, then I'm gone. Go outside and put my bare feet on the lawn. I used to be sour, now I'm sweet, Cinnabon. Why you judging me, you judge yourself, ooh, that's wrong. Oh, what a blessing, I get to sing your praise, Lord. This type of love, no money could ever pay for. That's why I dance when I think about what you paid for. Need I say more? Hey, I'm so happy I'm alive today. I'm so happy I can see the light today. It don't matter if it's rain or shine today, cause I know the God is on my side today. Hey, I'm so happy I woke up today. Put a little coffee in my cup today. To anyone who feels a little stuck today, don't forget that God made us enough today. Enough. Hey, and if God made you enough, don't settle for lesser. If you're feeling stuck, don't forget you are his best work. Better than the trees and the birds in the sky. He said that he loves you and he can never lie. Oh, what a blessing, I get to sing your praise, Lord. This type of love no money could ever pay for. That's why I dance when I think about what you paid for. Need I say more? Hey, I'm so happy I'm alive